Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have today this delicious meal for you with chicken meatballs and mozzarella and a sauce with mushrooms. I served everything with broccoli and was super yum, and I wanna share with you this recipe. I have here chicken thighs, 500 grams, and I am trimming out the fat from the meat. I bought these without the bone or the skin, but if you cannot find chicken thighs, you can definitely use chicken breast. And I'm cutting the meat in smaller pieces just because I'm gonna use this tiny food processor to mince it out. You can definitely use a meat grinder, or even better, you can buy minced meat, chicken, or even better, turkey. Yeah, take your time and do this in batches if you use one of these food processors. Next, I grated half of the zucchini on the bigger grater here. I didn't remove the peel of the zucchini because I really like it. It's sweet, has lots of vitamins. I add a bit of thyme, and I'm doing this by eye, okay? Cook with your heart. Add basil, a teaspoon of onion powder, some garlic powder as well, freshly ground pepper, and a bit of salt. I added a lot of paprika because I really like it, and I'm gonna knead this mixture to make sure that everything is well combined. As a binder, I use 1 egg and for taste and also color, 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Egg. And give it another mix. Cut fresh mozzarella into cubes. And start forming the meatballs. As you can see, I picked up some of the meat. I flatten it up on my hand, put in the middle mozzarella, and shape it. And I will place all of them on a plate. You can make them smaller or bigger depending on your liking. I ended up making 11 meatballs. I added 1 tablespoon of oil, sunflower oil I'm using in a cast iron pan, and I'm gonna cook the meatballs on all sides until they are no longer pink. In the meantime, I'm gonna wash 500 grams of fresh mushrooms. And I'm gonna slice them. Remove the meatballs from the pan and chop 3 pieces of spring onion, and I have 2 cloves of garlic as well. So I will chop onions and garlic. Cook onions and garlic in the same pan in which you cook the meatballs, and I added about 50 milliliters of water to help deglaze the pan, because we have all those yummy pieces, tiny delicious scrapings from the meatballs. And when the onions soften up, I will add mushrooms and let those reduce as well. Mushrooms have a lot of water, and also I put the fire a bit higher in this moment. As you can see, mushrooms reduced, and I'm gonna season them with 1 or 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and I'm not gonna add any more salt. Add, of course, pepper and basil, paprika, milk. Add 160 milliliters of milk. You can also use cream if that's your choice. I am using milk. I let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and I'll add the meatballs back in the pan, making the room for them between the mushrooms, and I'm gonna cook these together for about 10 to 15 minutes. With a tiny bit of water, I have 450 grams of frozen broccoli. I chopped some dill, and I'm gonna add back over the mushrooms and meatballs, and this will give a lot of flavor. And also the rest of mozzarella that I have left over from stuffing the meatballs, I'm gonna place them was delicious. I ended up with 4 servings out of it, and I serve it with steamed broccoli. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're gonna try the recipe. I'm gonna see you here next time.